What your sleds look like?
Hey, Lauren dog. Have you been out in the snow yet?
No, it's too cold for me.
May, have you been out in the snow yet?
Yeah.
You thought your sleds are here, Duker?
Yeah.
When did you sled here?
No, my husband.
Really?
At a storage.
It's news to me.
Listen
Blake.
to what I'm telling you.
Blake.
Let me see. What do they look like?
I think they're blue. They might be down in storage too.
Snow boogie on it?
Well, I bet you're down in storage.
Let me call Sean. He knows the
Here comes Sean right now.
He's safe.
There's a polar bear, a penguin, and then there's like two different snow.
Sean made it home safe.
Hi, Daddy.
How we doing?
How are the roads?
This thing, they're fine. I'm gonna get 2 of these.
That's what I took this morning too. It was great. Luke,
Timmy, do you have sleds?
look at how red his cheeks are.
Alright, why don't you guys go up to Timmy's?
Hold on.
Make sure you tell him.
You are really got some red cheeks.
Sleds here?
No, well, we don't have any other sleds.
Alright, go up to Timmy's.
Maybe they're still in storage.
That's what I'm thinking.
So how's it going?
You know what? I'm pretty sure that window just moved wide open.
Yeah.
Oh.
You guys want that one?